Hi guys, welcome to ChefWKitchen on YouTube. Today we're introducing a brand new dish for you. It's called fried noodles, Kottu. Here's what we need to make it. First we'll add some oil. You can also use coconut or palm oil if you like. Then we'll add the noodles. Then we'll fry it until it turns golden brown. Next we'll add some water and let it cook for about a minute. Now let's drain out the water. Then we'll add just a little sunflower oil or any oil you prefer. Then we'll add garlic and chopped ginger and fry them for a bit. Next, we'll add 2 eggs. Then we'll mix it well. Then we'll add the thinly sliced roti. Then fry it a little. Then we'll add the noodles that were boiled and fried earlier. Next, we'll add the onion. Next, we'll add the carrots cut into small pieces. Then we'll add the cabbage. Give it a good mix and let it cook for just about a minute. Then we'll add the chicken curry we prepared earlier. Next, we'll add some soy sauce and oyster sauce. Add a few finely sliced green onions. Finally, we'll add some sesame oil. Then mix it on low heat for a little while. Hey, and that's it, we're done. Alright, let's go ahead and serve it up. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to stay tuned for the next recipe.